Hi, my name is David. I'm part of the Lichtwerkstatt team, which is a makerspace here at the Epicenter of Photonics of the University of Jena. In this little video, we will show you how you can upload your videos and make them accessible for your students. So the first thing we talk about is how you can upload your created video files on Digitale Bibliothek Thüringen. And in the second step, we show you how you include them or integrate them into your Moodle course on the university Moodle platform. For sure, you also can upload your videos to a platform like YouTube or Vimeo and integrate them into your course. So let's have a look on the website of the Digitale Bibliothek Thüringen, where you can upload your videos. So you go to db-thüringen.de and you see here the platform. The first thing you need to do is to log in. Therefore, you need your normal university login data. You click on Anmelden and then you click University Login. Select your university, which is in our case the University of Jena. And now you put in your login data. Okay, so now you're logged into the platform. The next thing you want to do is you want to upload your videos, or maybe create a container or a folder or a parent category that contains all of your videos. All of this process is also shown how to do that in a PDF file that was created from the Multimedia Zentrum here of the university, and you will find the link right below me. So now you click on Publizieren, hand in the document. So to create the parent container, you just have to select Series, which is here, and then click on Next Step. Now you can give that container a name. So in your case, it might be the name of your lecture. So astrophysics or introduction into quantum computers. I don't know. In my case, I just name it Test 1. We have already named our category and are using the temporary name Test 1 only for explanation. It's important that you give it a specific name because you need that name later on to find your course when you integrate it into Moodle. So in our case, it's Test 1, then you can put in other stuff. This is all explained in the PDF I mentioned before. So just go through that PDF. It gives you very rich information on what you can put in there. Then you have to select the area. In our case, we just go with general science. And then you accept that it can be published and you click on Save. So now your parent category, the name of your lecture is created, and you can link all the videos that we upload now in the next step to that kind of container. So let's see how to upload your content, your videos. Therefore, you click again on Dokument einreichen. But this time you don't select series, you select video, film and video, and the only thing you can select there is Vorlesung, and you click on Next Step. Now you give that another name. In our case, a title that was named FSU Jena, Upper School of Photonics, Digital Teaching. And the specific name that we want to put in for this video is Record Lectures as a Screencast. So you type in that so that you can easily find it later on if you search it in Moodle. You can add a date when it was recorded. In our case, we just say it was recorded 2020 in April. Then you have to select the category. So for physics, it would be 530. In our case, it's more a technology video, so that's why we select Technik. And then you can add a description, for example. So we put in there the little description that the video is about how you can record presentations by doing a screencast. Then the license, it's very important. So you want to keep all the rights, usually, and what kind of institution. So there you will also find the FSU Jena, and then you can select physics or whatever you want to. It's important to put that in so that it's easy to find which institution published this content. So we select here the physics department. And the next step would be to say, is there a parent category or something? So in your case, it would be Test 1. In our case, it is the FSU digital teaching container. So it is shown in that container, in that parent folder. And then we enter the author if we want to, and we can give also the lecture a number. So in our case, it's the third video that we upload into that container, so we put there a 3. And then we accept that it is published and click on Save. Okay, so now you see a little preview of everything you put in. So as I can see here, I did a little mistake. So the language is not German, it is English. So I can just go back and fix that pretty quick. So English, click on Save. Okay, so now you see the language is English. So that's everything the Digitale Bibliothek wants to know, so that you can easily find it and know a little bit about the content of the video. And now you can actually upload your content. So in our case, we are looking for the video, which is on the desktop here. We open the file, and now it's uploaded on the Digitale Bibliothek Thüringen platform. And we have to wait until this is done, which takes a little bit of time. Okay, so now we are all set and everything is uploaded. Another thing that you could do now is that you give a password to your content so that not everyone can access it. So this is called Zugriffsschlüssel hinzufügen. You click on that and then you can give rights or a password for the right of reading, seeing your video, and also for writing, which means that you can change stuff within the description of the video. So we just put there something in and then we click on Save. Okay, and now you're all set. If you want to share this video directly, you can go here on Zitierlink kopieren, and then you see the direct link to that content. But what we want to do is we want to include that content in the Moodle course platform so that your students can access it right from their tool where they get the slides and everything. So let's see how that works. Therefore, we go to the Moodle platform of the university and also log in with our standard login details from the university. So now we are logged in, and as you can see, we already prepared a little course room where we want to show and demonstrate how that upload functionality works. So in our case, we want to integrate it now right away from the Digitale Bibliothek Thüringen, and therefore we go here into the subfolder, and we have to turn on that we can change things here in the course room. And then you just click on Add Material, and there is a little plugin that is called Digitale Bibliothek Thüringen. We select that, click on Hinzufügen, and then you can give it a name. So in our case it would be, I don't know, Lecture 3 or whatever you want to call it, or record lectures as screencast. And then here you can search for the video content. So now you need to remember what was the name on the Digitale Bibliothek Thüringen of your file that you uploaded. In our case, we can just look for the name, and here we already see it. This is the last update we did. It's 3 record lectures as screencast. We select that video, and now you see it's already here. And the next thing would be that you just save and go back to the course, and then it would be integrated. But maybe you want to have the case that you want to share specific content only at a specific time. So you can also add some restrictions to it by clicking on Voraussetzungen, and then you can set, for example, a specific date. So it should only be seen by the students starting from, I don't know, maybe say the 20th of April. You do that, and then you click on Save, and then it can only be accessed from your students at that date or starting at that date. But in our case, we just don't want to have any restrictions, so we click on Save, go back to the course, and now it's already here. So if you click on it, you can see it's already integrated with the player, and So that's one way to integrate your video files into Moodle and share it with your students. Another way would be that you integrate your videos via a link through, for example, YouTube or Vimeo. So how you can do that? Therefore, you also go into a specific area, add material, and then you say this time I want to add a text field. And in this text field, you can just enter, I don't know, this is lecture 10, was recorded on the 20th of April, 2020. And then you can integrate a video file by clicking on this little button here. So now you need to have a link. So if you have uploaded your content onto YouTube, you can just go to the video, do a right click, and copy your video URL. So do that, go back to the Moodle course room, you just integrate this link into that field, click on Medien einfügen, and now your media file is already there. You click on Save, and now you see it's lecture, the 10th lecture. You can also just watch this little video. So those are different ways how you can integrate your videos. Either you upload them on YouTube or on Vimeo, or you use the Digitale Bibliothek Thüringen. We hope this video helped you a little bit to see what is possible, and we are looking forward to your videos and your course rooms in Moodle.